Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to Eric Blackmon Guitar. In this session, I will show you how I play George Harrison's iconic guitar solo from Can't Buy Me Love by the Beatles. The guitar is tuned standard E, A, D, G, B, E, and the key is C major. Here is what that solo will sound like. 1, 2, 3. We'll start our solo with a lead in from fret 5 on the G string to fret 4 on the B string, like this. So that's, and then we'll go up to fret 6 on the B string with 2 fingers. Now I like to use 2 fingers because it's easier to bend and hold bends with 2 fingers. Okay, so I've got a finger on fret 6 and one on fret 5. And I'm going to strike that string 3 times and vibrato it like this. I'll hit it again and I'll bend it up, bring it back down to pitch, and go to fret 4 on the B string. Like that. So it's, and when I get to fret 4, I'll play this. So it's, so far this is what we have. Next we'll do this. So we went to fret 6, bent it, did vibrato, then went to fret 3 on the high E string, and then back to fret 6 and did this. So I bent it up and stopped it like that. So here's that. Then we'll do a breakdown like this. So for that, we went to fret 6 on the B string again, bent it up, brought it back down to pitch, go to fret 4 on the B string, fret 5 on the G string, fret 3, fret 5 on the D string, fret 3, and then we'll go down to fret 1 and hammer on to fret 2, like that. So it's, and once we get down there, we'll play an F7 chord like this. In order to play that chord, I'm borrowing fret 1 from the D string down, and I've got a finger on the G string, fret 2. Okay, so here's my chord. Just those 3 strings. So that's down, 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 up. Then we'll go back up to the B string, fret 6 again, and play this. So we did that 3 times. 4th time, and that was 6, 4, and 5 on the G string. So after that, we're going to do this. So for that, we're going to go to fret 3 on the G string, fret 4 on the D string, slide it up twice. We slid it up by 1 fret. Once we've done this twice, we're going to take that D string, fret 5, slide it down to fret 3. And then we'll play fret 1. Then on the A string, fret 3, back to fret 1. So that's. Then we'll form a double stop here at fret 1 on the G string, fret 3 on the D string, and we'll do this. We just took that up by 2 frets. And then we'll go to the D string and do this. So that's the D string, fret 5, sliding down to 3. Fret 1, fret 3 on the A string, and then hammer on from fret 1 to 3 on the A string. So that's. So once again, here's the entire thing, slowly. 1, 2, 3. Well, all right, my friends, that's how I play George Harrison's guitar solo from Can't Buy Me Love by the Beatles on electric guitar. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.